everyone, it's me Sherry and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I am going to unbox my Colourpop mystery box. I got the $49.99 one, which is the Colourpop Confidential mystery box. As you can see, it has all of these little question marks all over the box. My address is on the other side, so I'm not really going to show that. And this just came in the mail today with my another Colourpop order, which was my Tinkerbell order. But anyway, without further ado, let's just jump into it. This is the only box that I ordered. I didn't want to order the giant box because I didn't want to end up with a bunch of stuff that I wasn't going to use. And I didn't want to order the small box, so I went on the in-between lines. I paid for this with my own money. Obviously, Colourpop doesn't know who I am. So here's what the box looks like inside. And then I just cut it open, so I have no idea what's in here. I just cut the tape off of it. So I'll give you guys a little sneak peek. And then let's just jump into it. So I'm just going to reach in and grab random products and we'll see. It's just my packing slip. I think there's a certain amount. I think it's supposed to be $100 or something value that you get in this box. I'm not familiar with all of Colourpop's products either, so if I trip on something, I'm sorry. Okay, so the first thing I got is this So Juicy, what is this? A Plumping Gloss. And it's in the color Princess Cut. I think this is a clear gloss. Yeah, it's just a clear gloss. I'm probably going to put this back. Some of these products I'm not going to keep. I'm just going to be transparent about that. They'll either be in giveaways or I'll give them to other people. The next product that I have in here is a cream gel liner. It looks like it's from a cherry collection or something. I don't know. I'm not familiar with all the collections. And this is in Cherry Pie. Is this supposed to be... This is a BFF liner. So is this for your eyes? No, I think it's for your lips. I think it's for your lips. Creme Gel Eyeliner, BFF, Cherry Pie. So that's what that looks like. It doesn't say if it's for your eyes or your lips. It's a red color. There's what it looks like. Very pretty. Imagine you could use it on your lips if you wanted to. So obviously the things that I'm swatching I'm going to keep. Okay, so that's 2 items. I got another one here. Oh, I got like a single eyeshadow. And this is in the color Hot Bon. And it's just like a matte orangey color. I'm not going to open that because I'm not sure. The next product that I have in here is a lippy stick. I like lippy sticks. This is in the color, of course it's like super small. Who Run the World? Who run the world, girls? Oh, mine got a little chip in it. Looks like that. It looks like a pretty nude color. Like a darker nude brick color. I love the smell of the lippy sticks. They smell like vanilla. I'm going to start coughing. Okay. What else we got in here? Oh, we got a mascara, and it is the Act Natural mascara. I'm not going to open this because I have a mascara open. Actually, I have 2 open, and I usually don't do that, but I will try that myself. It looks like I got a brush. I did watch some of these unboxings, so some of the stuff's not really surprising me because people got pretty similar stuff, just colors and stuff were a little bit different. Oh, that's not bad. That is, what kind of brush is it? Medium fluff brush. I guess you could use it for highlighter or contour, I guess. The next product that I got is a Lippy Pencil, and it is the color Ashton. I've never used their Lippy Pencils before, but people say that they're pretty good. Oh, it's like a nude. I'll use that. It's like a mauve-y nude color, so definitely use that. I'm going to have a handful of swatches here, but that's alright. Alright, what else do we have in here? There's lots of goodies in here. It looks like a Super Shock shadow. Yep. It is a Super Shock shadow, and it is in the, and I'm going to be keeping this. I don't have any Super Shock shadows. It's in the color Ripple. So I'm not going to take it out and swatch it, but it's like a purple color, and it has like different color iridescence through it. You can see that there in my lighting. So that's really pretty. The next product that I have is, it looks like a blush. And it looks like it might be a little deep for me. Yeah. This is in the color Brute Flute. But that looks, I'll take it out of the cardboard packaging and show it to you guys. But it looks like it's going to be a little too dark for me. So I might pass this on. See, that's kind of dark. I don't know how much they sheer out though. You guys let me know down below if you guys are familiar with the Colourpop blushes. Does it sheer out pretty good? Okay. I got two bigger boxes here. So this one is from Soul. Shimmering Dry Oil. It's in the color Golden Pearl. Oh, that's pretty. See, now I can wear that on my, oh my god, it smells like a, oh, it's leaking a little bit. Okay. Yeah, there's a little bit of leakage in here, but I'll clean that up. Not a big deal. Is my pump not working? I think the pump is broke. Okay. We'll deal with that later. But that's a really pretty color. I'll show it to you guys up close. See? Now I got oil all over me. I'm going to have to clean that bottle and see if I can get the pump working. Excuse me for like 2 seconds, guys. I just got to grab a wipe here. I'm going to wipe off those swatches. Ooh. The liner, the cherry liner, stays in place really good. I'll clean up that bottle in a little bit. I'm just gonna, I'm gonna put it on top of this, or no, I'll put it back in its box for now. It's really pretty if I could get the pump working. Well, I can't get that off. I'm rubbing and rubbing and it won't come off. All right, the next product that I have here is, ooh, the bags are sticking to me. This is from Fourth Ray, Chamomile Face Milk. I'll have to read a little bit more on this, but you guys are probably a little more familiar with these. Oh, this looks pretty. Love the packaging. So I'm not sure what this is supposed to do. A drop of moisture to calm and soften skin. Formulated with chamomile, marshmallow root, and argan oil for a moisturized and radiant complexion. Add 2 to 3 drops into palms warm between hands and gently press onto skin. Okay. Okay, we're definitely going to give that a try. And then last but not least, I think, yep, we got a little eyeshadow palette. This is an Animal Crossing palette, and it's What a Hoot. I think this is neutral colors, if I remember correctly. I'm going to have to take it out from the bottom because packaging doesn't agree with me today. Oh, so cute. It has little owls all over it. Oh yeah, this is a very neutral palette. I'll swatch them for you guys. Why not? So we have like a pressed glitter. We have like a sparkly color. We have a glitter and we have a matte. So there's what they look like. I'm not really fussy on fresh glitters though, that's the only thing. But the rest of them are okay. So there's what they look like. So for my $49 mystery box, I got an eyeshadow palette. I got a face oil. I got a dry body oil. I got a Lippy Pencil that I just dropped on the floor. I got a brush. I got a mascara. I got a lippy stick. I got a Super Shock shadow. I got a Super Shock blush. I got a pressed eyeshadow. I got a juicy lip gloss. And I got an eyeliner. Not bad. I think that's pretty good value if you added it all up. However, I think some of the items are in the sale section on Colourpop, so it is what it is, though. I'm happy with it. I got some items that I can keep for myself and some items that I can share. I'm sorry, I got the hiccups. So anyway, did you guys get one of the Colourpop boxes? Let me know what you guys got in yours. Leave it in the comments down below. If you like this video, don't forget to thumbs it up and leave a comment down below. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the post notification bell so you'll be notified of future uploads. I tend to upload on Tuesdays and Thursdays and vlog for Saturdays. I hope you guys are all doing well. Take care of yourself and each other, and I'll talk to you guys all in my next video. Bye, everyone.